Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Cash App privacy and security settings, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Cash App on your mobile device. Log into your Cash App account if you haven't already. Locate the profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Tap on the profile icon to access your account settings. Scroll down to find the Privacy and Security section. Select Privacy and Security to open these settings. Here, you will see various options related to your account's privacy and security. To adjust who can send you money, select Who can send me money. You can choose between everyone or only people I know. Choose the option that best suits your privacy preferences. Next, go back to the Privacy and Security menu. To protect your account further, enable Use Face ID or Use Touch ID. Activating. To manage your payment history, go back to the main settings menu. Look for the Payment History option. Within this section, you can review transactions for any potential unauthorized activity. If you want to hide your transaction history, tap on Hide My Transaction. Follow the prompts to confirm your choice and secure your transaction data. To log out or deactivate your account, scroll down to the bottom of the settings. Select Sign Out to log out of your Cash App account safely. If you wish to delete your Cash App account completely, look for the Delete Account option. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize account deletion. Always make sure to keep your app updated for the latest security features. Review these settings regularly to maintain your privacy and security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.